Hi, I am Oscar Abreu, the CalorMatic product manager at Sweet Manufacturing. We are here today in Springfield, Ohio at our test facility for the CalorMatic product line. This test facility is designed for internal R&D and acts as a trial facility for customers before purchasing one of our CalorMatic units. Here we have our Cardinal 2 model set up with our Flite-Veyor underneath to discharge the machine. Since launching, we have tested soybean, canola, Milo, wheat, barley, Tapioca Pearls, Eggshells, Oyster Shells, and several other materials. If you have any question for us on any material that you like to dry and test in our facility, please contact us at sweetmfg.com. Thank you.